Hello there guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about OnePlus 10T, the new member of OnePlus 10 series. It will make its global debut on 3rd of August and ahead of the launch we know most of the stuff. So without keeping you waiting anymore, let's get going. So the OnePlus 10T will be company's second global flagship smartphone of 2022. That means it will be powered by Qualcomm's latest and most powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile chipset and could come with up to a whopping 16 gigs of RAM. But what it is missing being a global release and a flagship phone is the alert slider. It's an iconic feature of OnePlus flagship phones. The reason for not including this is the available space. Now you might be wondering, does the phone really not have enough space to accommodate an alert slider? Well, it's the motherboard and it apparently takes up to 30 square millimeter of the area, which is a sizable real estate. They'll be using it for high wattage charging, a large battery capacity and better antenna signal. But if it were me, I would have settled with slightly smaller battery capacity and or slightly lower charging speeds. And I'm not saying lower like 30 or 60 watt, anywhere between 80 to 120 watt is enough for me. Apparently OnePlus is rumored to launch a 150 watt charging speeds for OnePlus 10T. Now comment below your thoughts on this, what would you choose? Apart from the alert slider, the OnePlus 10T 5G will also not have Hasselblad branding on the camera module. The reason for this, well, let me reiterate what Lu said. They wanted to offer an ultimate performance flagship smartphone at a device's chosen price point, making it sound like it was required to keep the smartphone's price at a certain level. While we are on the topic of Hasselblad, let's talk about the sensors. The phone will come with a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 wide-angle lens, another ultra-wide and macro, probably 8 and 2 megapixels. Selfies are taken care of by a 16 megapixel shooter. The 10T cameras will support 10-bit color capture, OnePlus's nightscape mode and seemingly offer improved HDR performance. As for rest of the specs, the smartphone has been confirmed to come with a 6.7-inch display. Rumors mention a 120Hz refresh rate panel and 4800 mAh battery. Well, that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.